I'm about to show you how I make my fresh juice at home without a juicer. We started this lifestyle a few months ago, and I must tell you, it's the best decision we ever made. In this video, my combo is watermelon, pineapple, and beetroot. I usually buy the combo for just 5,000 naira. So, yeah, that's it, just 5,000 naira per week, and we have fresh juice in the house every day of the week. So, let me know at the end of this video if you're going to be trying and subscribing to this fresh juicer or fresh juice, fresh juice lifestyle. Let's get right into the video. So I've washed my fruits. I just took each fruit and I washed it. So they're all clean. I washed my hands as well. Everything's completely clean. So I'll just cut the fruits up. Let me show you how I cut my watermelon. You don't need to remove the seeds since you're juicing it. The seeds don't really have much of a taste and it has nutrients as well, right? So every part is important. Basically, the watermelon is the water that I'm using to blend the juice. So I usually don't add much water to it, or like I usually don't even add except I want it to last longer. So like I want to increase the quantity. But yeah, just cut it. Oops, eh? So yeah, I'll now just cut it in half like this. And then divide it up into smaller sizes. So yeah, now I'll set this aside a bit just so you can see that. Okay, yeah. So now I'll simply just go down like this really fast and then cut it up. That's what I will do for all the watermelons. So that's how I do it fast, right? Cut, 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 cut. And then slice it down. That's it. I'm trying to make sure you can see that really well. We're done with the watermelon. I will now move to the pineapple. So I'll basically just put everything side by side. Now for the pineapple, I'll just cut off the crown, or the head, anyone. So cut that off. Cut off the second side as well. Okay. And now slice it down. So it doesn't have to be perfect since we're not eating it. You can still have some eyes in there. So cut it down. Okay. Some people even keep the skin of the pineapple for juice and stuff. So once you notice that the pineapple has changed color on some sides, for example, this side, I like to just demarcate it and taste it to be sure that it's not already tasting sour. So basically, just cut the pineapple to cubes as well. So now, cut it down like this. Cut it across again. And then just slice. That's it. If your blender struggles a lot, then you can cut it even smaller. Okay, we're done with the pineapple. Next up is the beetroot. I'll just peel off all the bad parts and the skin. It's super simple and fast. It feels like it has like the texture of carrots. Just feels like red carrots. That's what beetroot feels like to me. So this is what I just always do. This one is not even really that red. Is it not ripe? Well, at this point, I really don't mind. Yeah, I don't think it's very ripe. Oh well. I need the color in there. I want it to be like a bright red or maybe even a dark red. So just peel off the skin. Okay. And cut this. So same thing for this. Remove the bad parts. It's not red though. Put them in sha. We'll manage it like that because I already cut through it. So put that down there and cut it as well. Now it's not, I don't think this beetroot is ripe, but I can't wait. I'll just manage whatever it is it can give me. So that's it. We're done cutting the fruits. Now it's time to grind them up. So this is it. We have the pineapple, watermelon, and the beetroot. And now it's time to grind it. All right, so I will start with the watermelon. So put the watermelon first at the base because the watermelon is my water that will grind the rest of the fruits, right? I think I should do like 4 rounds for this. So yeah, that's enough watermelon now. So depending on the type of blender you have, my blender can grind everything at once. So I don't need to first blend the watermelon, but if you know your blender will struggle, blend the watermelon first, then add the rest of the fruit. Okay? So my pineapple and a few beetroot in there. And we blend. So I will take that off, set the blender aside just to show you the next step. So now that that is blended, please don't mind my sieve. For some reason, I haven't found the kind I want. Everything is just this plastic one. So I had to cut off the first layer because it had 2 layers. That's why you can see that. But it doesn't pass through the sieve. All right, so that's basically what I will do. Pour the whole thing in there and sift it. When you're stirring it like this way, it's easier for it to just it's like moving it around it's like moving it around so the juice can come out easily. So I have this big bowl that I will be transferring the juice into. So as I sift it, I'll just pour it here. That color is still not bad. Cover it up, set it aside, and repeat the process until I'm done with all the fruit here. So let's go. I'll see you when I'm done. So this is it. All the juice is here. All our freshly squeezed juice is here. Looking good. Oops. Why the drama? So I will now and I'll transfer it into my bottles. I also don't have a funnel yet. So this video should be very relatable, I believe. So you can make this without a lot of things, but I plan to buy it soon, but anyways, so this is what I do. I just get this rectangular bowl with this tip, and I just pour it. Helps me practice my aim as well. So I'll just fill all the bottles. Nothing too serious, right? But don't you just love the texture, consistency of that? It looks so healthy, doesn't it? Don't forget to share this recipe as well, or this process, so more people can drink healthy in their homes. It's basically the same price as buying like fake fruit juice that's just in the carton, and like all they put there is just water and coloring, right? I know it can be a lot of work and it can be time consuming, but just pick a day in the week and make your juice, and you will always have fresh juice in the house. So just buy all the fruits at once and make your juice. And if you have a juicer, to be even faster for you. But my problem with juicers though is like the washing, man. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you in the next one. Please do not forget to like this video and share and subscribe if you haven't. It's the best way. It's one of the best ways to support me and just help me, encourage me to do more videos like these. So yeah, bye.